Hello students! In this video, we're diving into the exciting world of collocations. Let's learn together. Collocations are groupings of words or phrases that are frequently used together in English. For example, make a plan, take a look, deeply unhappy, etc. Now let's learn the importance of collocations. Collocations help to avoid confusion and make language sound more natural. For example, instead of saying, strong tea, we say, strong coffee. Using collocations also makes our speech and writing clearer and shorter. And they can even help people who are learning a new language communicate better. Let's look into types of collocations. Adverb plus adjective. Like, absolutely impossible. Adjective plus noun. Like, bad news. Noun plus noun. Like, hospital room. Noun plus verb. Like, ideas flow. Verb plus noun. Like, catch a cold. Verb plus expression with a preposition. Like, talk to. Verb plus adverb. Like, speak loudly. Now, let's look at how collocations work in sentences. Jack wrote a letter to his parents. Here, write a letter is a common collocation. Can you give me a ride to the closest store? Here, give a ride is a common collocation. And now it's your turn to answer what is an example of an adverb plus adjective collocation. Share your answers in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 8 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.